I'm going to show you some real world examples where positives and negatives come into play. And it's in your everyday life when you become an adult, because you have to keep track of how much money you have in your account at all times so that the bank does not charge you if you think you have enough money and you don't. So this is a check register. Okay, this is where you would record all of your, debits, which means minus, or your deposits, which means plus. It's those sorts of things. So if we come across the bottom down here, it tells us what's happening. We have already done number one. As you can tell, number one is done. So I put a check by it over here. I'm going to put a check by it over here. Number two, on April 14th, you write check number 3456 to a family member in the amount of $25. The check is a birthday gift. So is that one, it's a check. So is that a positive or a negative? It would be a negative. So it's going to go right here, negative $25. And it's in the parentheses. So that tells me, yes, that's a negative. That was a birthday gift. And it was check number 3456. So 3456. And it was 4/13/2022. Let's fix this date. We don't want to deal with that date. Okay. So we've done number two. Number three, a direct deposit. So that is income in the amount of $253.45 is credited to your account on April 15th. This is your pay from your part-time job. $100 is automatically placed in your savings account. So this is my checking account, not my savings account. So therefore, I don't get all this money. Part of it goes into my savings. The rest is deposited into your checking account. So I'm only going to record the $153.45. Okay, so go over to my check register. That is a credit of, and I've already forgot the number, $153.45. So $153.45 goes into my account as income on April 15th. 4/15. Okay, so we've done number three. Number four, on the 16th, you swipe your debit card at the ATM and withdraw $20. So we come back over here. We're going to put debit 4/16/2022 ATM. And it was a withdrawal of $20. So I must put the negative $20. Well, look what's happening over here. So my income went down because I debited $25, but then my income went back up because I got a credit. I got my income. It went down again because I took away some money. We're going to do number five. On April 16th, you swipe your debit card at the gas pump. I wish I could spell on these things, guys. The amount debited is $43.01. So that is a negative $43.01 on the 16th. So negative $43.01 on 4/16. It was a debit, and it was for gas. Now again, do you see my money went down? I'm going to put a check saying I did it, and a check saying I did these two too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I think you guys can try the rest, and if you run into trouble, raise your hand, ask a teacher. Eventually, I will get the answers posted, but for now, just kind of try to fill this in based on these expenses. Make sure to make them positive and negative. That's going to be the big deal.